Hi everyone, and welcome back to Future Forward AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the website Repurpose.io to repurpose your content into different formats. Repurpose is a website that allows you to take your existing content, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics, and convert it into different formats. This can be a great way to save time and create more content for your audience. Repurpose is a great tool for anyone who wants to create more content without having to spend hours creating it from scratch. If you're looking for a way to save time and create more content, then Repurpose is definitely worth checking it. How to use Repurpose. Go to the Repurpose.io website and create an account. Once you have an account, you can start uploading your content. Repurpose will then automatically convert your content into different formats. You can then share your content on your social media channels, your website, and even your email list. Repurpose also makes it easy to embed your content on your blog or website. Tips. Here are a few tips for using Repurpose. Make sure your content is high quality. Repurpose will only convert high-quality content into different formats. Use relevant keywords. When you upload your content to Repurpose, make sure to use relevant keywords. This will help people find your content when they search for it on Google. Share your content on social media. Once you share your content on your website, make sure to share it on social media as well. This will help people find your content and share it with their friends. Benefits of using Repurpose. Save time. Repurpose can help you save time by converting your content into different formats for you. Create more content. Repurpose can help you create more content by making it easy to share your content on multiple platforms. Increase traffic. Repurpose can help you increase traffic to your website by making it easy to embed your content on other websites. Last but not least, Repurpose is a great tool for anyone who wants to create more content without having to spend hours creating it from scratch. If you're looking for a way to save time and create more content, then Repurpose is definitely worth checking out.